All right. Hey, wait a second. Where did all the pens go? And what am I supposed to write with? So weird.
Sue, have you seen my markers? I can't find any.
That's strange. It's like they were carried away by fairies.
Oh, Susan, fairies don't exist. Oh, no, we've got a thief. Shut all doors and windows. Code red. I repeat, code red.
Sammy, calm down. They're just pens.
But what if they find my candy stash? No, I can't risk it. Slime attack!
Hold on, Sammy. How about we make a crocodile-shaped organizer? No thief would willingly enter the mouth of a crocodile. That should scare them off.
Great idea, Sue. In the meantime, I'll set the traps.
But I could use some help. Where are you going? Fine. I guess I'm gonna have to start on my own. Our crocodile will have big jaws to fit everything. But where's all the cardboard?
Don't worry, my precious candies. I won't let anyone steal you. Ha! Now we're talking.
I'm sorry, Sammy. I don't think the cardboard is going to hold the door.
I know I didn't use enough nails. Hey, give it back.
Nuh-huh. We can use it for our craft. Check it out. Okay, now, we need some glue to put our crocodile's teeth on.
Oh, wow! It's just what I need to set that trap.
Huh? Wait, what?
Ah! Let me go. I taste awful, I promise. Sue, help! He's gonna eat me.
Sammy, come on.
What? Slime can't even build a trap in his own house.
Oh, so you were building a trap? Now I see. You know, this organizer can be a trap too. And if you hand me the ruler, I can make it open and close like actual jaws. It's gonna be cool.
Wow, really? Then here you go, Susie.
All we have to do is cut the cardboard right here. Now we'll bend it and voila! It opens and closes.
That's less cool than I thought. Wake me up when the real fun starts, will you?
Looks like it's a prank time. Oh, Sammy! Look what I got. These are the parts for the world's coolest thief trap.
A thief trap? Bring them on. Done. I couldn't figure out how this trap works, though.
That's because it's not a trap at all.
What?
Gotcha! Sorry, I just really needed a drawer.
I can't believe it, Susan.
Oh, come on. Look how great it turned out. And to make our organizer even cooler, we'll decorate it on the inside. We just need to find some red paper. Oh, there it is.
Oh! Gotcha.
Oh, you.
What if it were a real thief? We have to secure our house, Sue.
Okay. So, do you have something on your mind?
I'm glad you asked. We'll build a fence. That way, all the thieves will stay outside. Hold it like that, please, and I'll get the hammer.
Huh. And for how long do I have to hold this up? Huh. Wait a minute. These sticks are just what we need for our organizer.
I'm sorry it took so long, Susie. What? Sue? Oh no! It can't be! The thief stole the sticks and Sue?
Sammy, relax. I'm here.
Let them take the sticks. The main thing is that you're okay.
No one took the sticks either. Look. By the way, could you pass those little sticks over there?
You tricked me again. So, why do we need them?
We need to secure them inside our crocodile's mouth. This way, we can control how he opens and closes it. But we also need some longer sticks here. Where are they?
My emergency escape ladder is ready.
Sammy, what are you going to do with the ladder?
I'll jump on the thief from above.
Give me the sticks and I'll give you candy. Deal?
You betcha! You can't leave candy out in the open like that, by the way.
Are you going to eat it and hide it inside your belly? Okay, back to our craft. Here we go. We need to secure the sticks with hot glue so they don't slip out.
And now, the most dangerous trick. the world has ever seen! Kids, don't try doing this at home. Come on! Huh? I thought the mouth was going to close. Why didn't it work?
It's all because we still haven't put it all together. Be patient.
Well now, it should definitely work.
Hold on, Sammy. Why don't we save it for the thief?
Oh, that's right. I like the way you think, Sue.
Now, to secure the jaws, we need rubber bands. Sammy, do you have some?
Sorry, I used them all on this super cool thing. As soon as the thief shows up, I'll just knock them down. Like this.
Oh, Sammy, are you okay? I don't think you can catch a thief that way. But our crocodile can do just that. Look, open and close, so don't worry about it.
I think you're right. I've secured our house enough already. All these brilliant traps I've built will stop any thief. That's for sure.
I don't know about that.
Hands off. Just go continue making the craft. Why doesn't our crocodile look like a crocodile?
Because we haven't decorated it yet. Here, this piece will serve as both a tail and a handle for the drawer. Pretty handy, huh?
Don't know about that, but what do you think of my new style?
Sorry, but you'll have to find a different one. Because we need this for our craft.
Okay, how about this hairstyle? I think it looks good on me. Ow! Huh? Well, that's kind of what we wanted, right?
That's a good landing indeed. Now, let's move on to the eyes. First, we need to make the eyelids. But as for the eyes themselves,
these glasses are a little too big for me. You should try them on, Sue.
These aren't glasses, Sammy. These are our crocodile's eyes. See?
I know. Let's lure our thief in with cute eyelashes. And then, bam! The crocodile catches them!
Oh, good one. Also, let's not forget about the pupils.
Wow! It's like one of those paintings that follows you around wherever you go. I don't like it, Sue! I'm scared! Duh!
Don't be, Sammy. It only means that no thief will escape our crocodile's gaze.
Fair enough. By the way, what's that squiggly thing?
That's what we need for the next step. We need to roll it up into a tube.
Oh, I get it. It's a telescope to track thieves. That's clever. Oh no! We could take turns looking through it. You didn't have to split it in half.
It's not a telescope, Sammy. It's our crocodile's nose. It's done. All that's left to do is to fill our organizer with stationery.
Heads up! Here they are!
Oh, thanks. I guess these are all the pens that have left. Perfect. Oh, we nearly forgot about the drawer.
Let's put in some candy. You know, just in case. That's better. Oh, my precious. Oh, I'm gonna take it all. Ah! He did it after all! He ate me, Sue!
Sammy, calm down. It's okay.
Easy for you to say. It's me. Who he ate? Duh!
Huh? But where did all these pens come from?
Now I remember. I was sleepwalking every night and picking up pens. Whoopsie. I was carrying them all to my secret lab to build a candy-making robot. So it was me all along. I am the thief, Sue. I am the thief.
Oh, Sammy. Don't feel bad. At least now we know our stuff is safe.
That's right. Now I don't have to worry about my candy stash. Yay!
Thanks for being with us today, guys. Like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our new videos.
Oh, yeah. Oh, see you soon, everyone.